Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, Kucoin are planning to burn billions of Terra Classic coin, even though they are yet to even burn up to 500 million Terra Classic coin. Now, Kucoin are ready to show more support, and I believe that we have exchange like Kucoin. For me, they are supposed to be the next after Binance. But one thing I love about Kucoin is that they have been showing great support towards Terra Classic LUNC. Yes, Kucoin have really shown a lot of support. Now they are about to show to burn more Terra Classic coins. After that was about a few months ago, after they staked billions of Terra Classic. Yes, billions of Terra Classic was staked under Kucoin. But this time around, we are expecting billions of Terra Classic to be burned. So I'm happy that an exchange like Kucoin have also come out to say they will keep on supporting Terra Classic network upgrade. They will keep on supporting anything that will push Terra Classic forward. So right now we're also expecting them to start burning heavily, but it all depends on the trading volume that will be coming out from Kucoin exchange. It also depends on the kind of market cap Terra Classic is going to gain. But for me right now, we are still trading between 100 million to 200 million bonds per day. So until Terra Classic hits about 500 million to 1 billion bonds per day, I believe that yes, something have really changed. We have really improved. But if we still remain on 200 million below bond per day, I think it is going to be difficult for Terra Classic to rise. Despite Kucoin, whatever Kucoin are planning, everything any exchange is planning for Terra Classic or any organization on any, the truth is, the end is we only want to see Terra Classic rise and Terra Classic burning more coin. If Luna is not burning more coin by now, believe it, it is going to be difficult to see Terra Classic burning most coin. Now, I also believe that the future of Terra Classic right now is about 60-40%. Now there's a 60% possibility that Terra Classic is going to survive this year and also going to survive next year. It's going to rise. There's a chances of 40% that Terra Classic might not survive this year. That is the truth. Yes, because so many things have really happened. Terra Classic have really lost a lot of cap, a lot of traders, a lot of holders, and they keep on dropping almost every day. So I think the only way forward is for the coin to rise. When people make profits, start making cash, making profit with Terra Classic, there's a tendency a lot of people will also jump in to start buying Terra Classic. So for me, I will go for 60-40%. Okay, but remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision. Like I said, I will be going for 60% possibility of rising, 40% possibility of Terra Classic dropping more. Okay, but please remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. I love you all. I'm happy. Keep on doing videos, but please remember, very soon we'll be recording different kind of videos on how to make money online. So kindly subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.